Once again, this is Vet Sanon from MS Veterinary Center and MS Farms. So today we are going to talk about the different types of birds, especially in their younger stages. So what you're looking at right now are the poults, I mean the younger turkeys. So those are the younger turkeys. They are so delicate birds. They need attention and care, and right now they are feeding on young termites, as you can see them. Next to that is the keets. They resemble the poults, only that the keets are smaller as compared to the poults, but when you look at them, they are almost similar. You may misinterpret them. And here I used a chicken to hatch them, as you can see. After hatching, I left the chicken to raise these kids. So indoors, as you can see, where I still feed them in there while the chicken providing the brooding system. So I save the costs of an artificial brooder and leave the chicken to brood the kids naturally. And when you look at them, they are really lively, energetic. As you can see them, they are being brooded naturally by the chicken. Here they enjoy the benefits of being nurtured by a mother with the natural warmth of the mother, and this time round it is not the real guinea fowl but the chicken, though still we can nurture them separately. As you can see here, these ones are being brooded artificially without a mother, and they are enjoying their life in this form. Now let us leave the kids alone. Let's see the ducklings. Here are our ducklings. They have been hatched a few days back, that is 2 days, and now they are with their mother. They are enjoying. So if you have not seen them before, that is how the ducklings look when they are still baby. Next is the chickens, which I think most of us already know because you have researched much about the chickens, how to raise the chicks, how to feed them, the housing, everything on the chickens. I think you know, and you can even give me more advice on how best I can raise these chicks. But you see, they are lively, they are very good anyway, they are doing well. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share the video to friends, but don't forget to put your comment on this video. So those different birds, as you've seen them, have different management practices in terms of feeding, housing, so they look somehow related, but technically they differ.